mark. Withdrawal, Central Hastings. Careful, police, careful. Well, Van Wick, Calgary Johnny. Breakers of low trees, London Highway Safety. Line low, Storm 1, Dundas, make good, Gary.
This is Ivan's last show. He's retiring this year after 30 years.
Steve Orphan, Peterborough County. Dan Clark, Peterborough County. Dana Crow, Leeds County. Archer SDH, take 5 minutes. Brandon Alpham, Northumberland County.
Brandon has 25 years to go, not like the last guy.
Johnson, Central Region 5. Fred Sumler, Johnny West. Hill, Kevin Knoll from 407. Back left, Ottawa traffic.
It's structured around timing and control. It was most important for the riders to know what effect the surface had on the handling of their machines. Until 1944, motorcycles were 9, and today, due to their versatility and maneuverability, motorcycles continue to be an asset for traffic management. Now the continuing link. You'll see the two teams maintains momentum. I'll tell you how the team maintains such fluid and timely movements. Each rider's helmet is equipped with a transceiver. This allows for inter-team communication, which helps maintain overall uniformity throughout the performance. And now they will set up. To give you an idea of what will happen, keep your eyes on the team leaders. Each leader approaches the other on a head-on course. Then, just before meeting, they turn out to avoid colliding and set up the single weave. Members of each team follow their leaders and complete this intertwining maneuver of riders and machines. Ladies and gentlemen, the single weave. Weave. Two riders riding side by side as one rider and one machine. They approach each other head on, then they steer right and set up the double weave. Two riders and two machines acting as a single unit. Their handlebars are only inches apart, and often their mirrors and handlebars will even touch. Golden helmets and the figure eights. The team will now set the diamond. A rider will approach the formation at high speed and shatter the diamond into many pieces. Experienced riders turning slowly. And now, for those of you who enjoy lights, noise, and action, we present the Star Flash Parade.
and carry me home down the highway of heroes.
We hope that we have entertained you today and have given you cause to take pride in your Ontario Provincial Police. It has been our pleasure to be at Bath, and we thank you for coming to our event.
True patriot love.